Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce Scenarios. My name is Shivam Kumar and today we'll be discussing about my 10th video of Process Builder series, that is how we can call a process from a process builder in Salesforce. So yes, we can create the invocable process for that, and according to that, we can call that invocable process in any kind of process builder, right? We can change whatever we want up till our requirement, whatever invocable process we have created, then all over that change should be reflected after creating that process, right? So what we can do, I'll be just moving into my Salesforce org, typing their builder. I'll be hitting on this process builder right from there. I want to create the new process, so I'll be creating new process here, that is invocable process. The process starts when it is invoked by the another process, right? Because the process which we are creating here is the invocable process, means now I'll be creating the process in which I'll be setting up all the logics, right? And then afterwards I'll be creating the another process builder, and according to that process builder I'll be calling this particular process in that process builder, right? So yes, I'll be hitting on save. Let's say we'll be creating this process on the account object. I'll be selecting account object here, hitting on save button and adding the criteria. Run every time. Criteria name, no conditions, just execute the action. I'll be hitting on save. Now here comes the time for creating the action. So what we are doing, I'll be adding create record action type, right? Action name will be create record itself. Record type will be, let's say what our scenario will be, whenever a count record has been created, automatically a record of opportunity has been created. So here record type, what I'll be adding, I'll be adding opportunity. So yes, there are certain fields which are mandatory and I have to pre-populate those, but yeah, I'll be not taking focus category. For close date, what I'll be doing, I'll be making this as formula. Going to the formula, typing here today, right? Use this formula. Name will be string. I'll be taking the field reference, that is the account name itself. Stage, let's say stage pick list value will be prospecting. Whenever particular account is created, automatically opportunity has been also created. So I'll be adding one more row there for account ID, so that I can be able to map the account with opportunity itself, right? So here account ID here, right? So I'll be hitting on choose. So let's say this account ID has been populated whenever opportunity has been created related to that particular account, right guys? So I'll be hitting on save button. So yes, I have created one invocable process. You can be able to see that that process is invocable process, right? I'll be activating this process, right? So I'll be hitting on confirm. Yes, it is confirm. I'll be going to the different tab for creating the different process builder. Whatever process builder now I am creating, I can be able to call the previous process builder, that is the invocable process which I have built. So I'll be creating new process builder, create opportunity record, API name is this, record changes when, hitting on save button, taking the account object because we are taking whenever A record of account object is created, adding the criteria, run every time. No criteria, execute the actions. I'll be hitting on save button, taking the action. So here the interesting thing is there are certain kind of actions which we can perform with the help of process builder, right? So there is one action which is processes. So if I hit on the processes, and I'll be adding their invocable process name, checking the process which I have created previously, that is the invocable process. Means the basic advantage of creating the invocable process is that if we are having certain kind of processes, right, and we have to inculcate the sub processes in those process, according to those process we will be creating one process and we will be adding all the sub processes and calling all those sub processes with the help of that main process, right? So that is a particular advantage. If we want to change in that particular invocable process according to our requirement, what we can do is that we can particularly go to that sub process, means that is the process which is the invocable process, and we can change, add more requirements or remove whatever we want, and then again we can hit on save button, and automatically all those changes which we have did are reflected there whenever we are just testing what the process which we have created, right? So here in processes I'll be checking the invocable process here. Select the account record that started your process, because I have to create the account and then automatically my opportunity should be created, right? So if I want to add more actions, then I can be able to add more actions. Now for now I'll be hitting on save button. So here the invocable process is. If I want to call any other invocable process on account itself, I can be able to call right from here, because this is the same parent process which I have built, and according to that parent process I can be able to add in the immediate section all the sub processes which I have created previously. But for now this is for the demonstration purpose and the basic understanding how we can call the invocable process. There is the action, right? But now I am not adding any kind of action here. What I'll be doing, I'll be activating this process, right? Yes, I'll be hitting on activate. I'll be activating this version and hitting on confirm. Right, guys? So what we can do now, it's time for testing. I'll be going to accounts, creating one account record right from here. So yes, I'll be moving into the account object. I'll be creating new account with the name Shivam Kumar 2020. Is there any other? No. So I'll be hitting on save for creating the new account record. Yes, automatically in the related list, what we can see that opportunity has been created. I'll be opening to this opportunity in the next tab. Related to that particular account, Shivam Kumar 2020, an opportunity has been created automatically with the help of that invocable process which we have created, right, guys? So here we see that the stage will be prospecting, going to the details, close date will be the today's date, and account name will be the Shivam Kumar 2020, as we have taken the account ID, and the field reference will be account ID itself, so that we can attach that opportunity with the help of account. Whatever account we are creating, we can add, right? So yeah, if you want to populate any other fields, we can also populate any other fields, right, guys? So yes, this is the particular topic which I want to cover it today. Again, I'll be reiterating, we'll be having the invocable process created, and automatically with the help of that invocable process, we are creating the opportunity record right from here, right? We are creating one parent process builder, and according to that process builder, we will be calling that invocable process in that parent process builder, right? So yeah, thank you very much, guys, for bear with me up till the end. This video will make you understand about how invocable process work in Salesforce. right, with the help of process builder. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel, as I'll be coming up with the most interesting stuff so that you guys can be able to understand really the Salesforce technology from